Hello everyone, I'm Cindy Go from Altera here at Embedded World 2025, and I'm with two of our partners, Yi Ying from Missing Link Electronics and Thomas from Trenz Electronic. Hi Yi Ying and Thomas.
Hello.
Hi, nice meeting you. Thank you for having us.
Thank you. Can you tell me about what you're demonstrating here at Embedded World this year?
Yeah, so this year we showcase the network virtualization technology for industrial SmartNICs running on Agilex 5. And at the same time, we also showcased our development approach for FPGA designs to de-risk FPGA designs in general and for industrial SmartNICs development in particular. And we call this approach shift left, so that we know the schedule and we accelerate the hardware software integration, and shift left accelerate the product's time to market. Yeah.
Yes, and we here from Trenz are here to promote our new Agilex 5 SOM, but also to showcase the possibilities that we have to enable companies like MLE for rapid prototyping, shift left theories, because we have been working together for quite some years already. So they always get early access to the new products, so they can be very close to the customers and also address topics as rapidly as possible.
Wonderful, thank you. So what key challenges in industrial networking does this industrial SmartNIC address?
So like nowadays, we do see the demands for like high bandwidth data streaming, and we also see the strong requirements for security. For example, the Cyber Resilience Act. And our approach is that firstly, we take Altera, the Altera Agilex 5 dev kit, and port our FPGA subsystems on it. For example, the network accelerators such as network protocol accelerators, Corundum, TCP, UDP, IP accelerators to verify the softwares on the FPGA. And then we also use the time-sensitive networking, the TSN. So we do traffic shaping and time synchronization. So it can deliver real-time performance. Unless we leverage Altera's advanced security features to avoid cyber attack.
Thank you. Well, indeed, Agilex FPGAs deliver many functions such as high bandwidth, TSN support, as well as advanced security features to address many of these applications. So can you tell me a little bit about what benefits do customers get through this collaboration between Missing Link Electronics and Trenz?
Sure. So our companies have been working together for multiple years already, and Trenz and MLE both being part of the early access programs gives us the step ahead of most of our competitors. So we can start at the earliest point already, usually even with engineering samples, provide MLE with preliminary hardware so they can start evaluating their full system stacks. We can provide customers with engineering samples as well. So it's the little step ahead to everyone else that they can evaluate systems before the final product is actually in the market. That's one of the key aspects. Another one is, due to us working that closely together, we can avoid miscommunication, which usually is one of the reasons for delays in projects. And last but not least is the security aspect. We know that we can trust them with our data, vice versa. So we do not have to rely on subcontractors where there could be a breach in security, for example. So we work with the same foundation, with the same data networks. So it's a very safe environment and a very quick environment for all our customers.
Great. So was this how this collaboration on this Agilex 5 solution came together?
Yeah, so the Agilex 5 industrial SmartNIC is a good example. So we got the first sample from Trenz and the engineering sample, and we worked together at the really early stage to port our RoboTSN subsystems onto the FPGA and verified it on the Agilex 5 on the dev kits.
Great. All right, so Thomas, what other services does Trenz provide?
So Trenz is a very customer-driven company. We do offer our standard products that might be great for evaluation because they usually have significantly lower lead times. But that's usually just an evaluation start point. Where we really shine is a very high degree of customization. We do have our own development departments and also production in-house. That means a customer can adapt and change their product literally within days. So we can do very rapid prototyping, even single quantities. And that's where also MLE can step in then afterwards. If a customer can verify the system stack, but they would like to see any kind of changes on hardware, that's where then we can provide a very fast joint approach.
Fast joint approaches is what we love. Well, thank you so much, Ying and Thomas, for taking the time to talk to me today. And before we leave, one last question. How can customers get started with the solution that we're showing today?
Yeah, so we have MLE. We have an office in Germany and the US, so you can contact us anytime or come to our website.
We're a partner with Altera, so our credentials should be very well known. Otherwise, please always feel free to reach out. We have our support teams working 24/7, development teams as well, so we're there.
Thank you very much.
Likewise.